What's up, guys? Trying out my new mic. We're gonna see how this goes. Heading to the doctor. Well, the dentist rather. Let's see how this all... Oh, come on. I guess it still wants to be on some choke. Let's get warmed up just a little bit here. Get this all set up right. First time using this mount for my phone as well. It's a RAM mount. Might lower a little bit, change this one up. We'll see how it goes. Man, it's hot out today. Need to get moving. Whew. Way too hot. I shouldn't even be on the bike. But we'll see how things go. Plenty of bumps right there at the end of my driveway. Chokes off. Alright. Turn right. Alright. Oh man, it's gonna be nice once I get my helmet. I gotta show you. I got a buddy of mine, he's doing a wrap on it. And when I get it, I'll put my Sena headset on. Then I can actually hear my GPS instead of having to look down at it. Which I probably won't. I know the way. I'm just using it to use it. Try it out. Since it's new. Got school right here. It should be getting out soon if it hasn't already let out. Oh, while you're moving, the wind's not too, or the it's not too hot. I mean, the wind keeps you cooler. And I will be on the highway going on 288, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, yep, there's a bus, I guess, coming to the school, maybe? Or no, he might be coming from the other school. I don't see anybody on it. Oh, no, there's some kids on there. Let's see what happens here. Riding the old VFR, 1997. Nice bike, I love it. Got it from an old guy. He just... his arthritis wouldn't let him ride it anymore, so he had to sell it. 30,000 miles on it when I picked it up, or less than. It's about 31 now. So I haven't had it too long, about a season. And of course, when you get your first bike, hopefully these stoplights aren't too bad. It's gonna be warm. Oh my, is it gonna be warm? All the kids have their windows down on the bus. There we go. Oh man. Oh yay, green light. Yep. We'll see if I get any weird looks for having the GoPro on. Hopefully I'm hiding the cable for this mic. Well, that's one thing I dislike. I'm gonna have to see if I can find a wireless mic. Oh, my apologies. My apologies. Oh man, I forgot water. Oh well, we'll see what happens. I'm trying to get some at the dentist. Just going in for a normal routine checkup. You know how those go. You know, get your teeth cleaned and all. Red light. Fun. Into neutral. Gotta get the bike ready for the Arizona trip. Green light, yay. Alrighty. My appointment's at 2, so it should be, yeah, it's only 1:36 right now. I should be able to make it. Even if I take my time, but yeah. It's a highway. What do you expect me to do? Alrighty. Here we go. This is staying in there tight. Won't come off. Definitely think I'm gonna lower it though. already in 6th gear. I hope I pressed record. Pretty sure I did. Pretty sure I did. This is going to be the trip I'm going to be taking to work every day too, here shortly. Don't have to ride downtown anymore, which I never rode my bike downtown. I hated going downtown. So I never rode my bike, had to deal with tolls and everything like that, so I just always drove the car. But now, 288, it's about not even 10 minutes to work once I start out there, and should make things much nicer for a quick little ride. Oh, and 288 is normally not bad, so we'll see. Ooh, big bump right there. Oh man, that wind. I'm wondering if y'all are hearing it as much as I am. I wear earplugs, so it doesn't bother me too bad. My Shoei, it should be a lot better for the wind and everything like that, so nobody's had it for a good long while. Hopefully he'll be getting it to me before I go to Arizona. Finished, at least. That would be awesome. No matter what, he's going to be bringing it to me, finished or not, because I'm going to have that helmet. Wind's a little heavy. Let's dump down a little bit here. Hopefully it doesn't screw up the camera angles too awfully bad. Let's go ahead and move over into the lane here. Woolridge, exit 1 mile. See? It's a nice quick little trip to the dentist. Ugh. And works the next exit up, so like I said, it's going to be a quick trips. I say maybe 10-minute sections. I'll post up maybe every other day. Who knows? Not every other day. That's way too much work. Twice a week, maybe. Yeah, twice a week. Let's say twice a week. My Monday ride and my Friday rides. How about that? That'll work. Alright, here we go, Woolridge Road. Taking this exit right here. Whee! Roll off. Yep. I like where I live. I got plenty of nobody coming. That's nice. Normally this is a clean exit anyway, so I don't have to worry too much. Oh, boom. Fun. I hate when they fucking do that shit. Ugh, fuck that. Because now I'm stuck and I gotta go over this. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Alright, here we go. Turn right in here. To dentist. Once this guy moves, come on. There we go. Haha, I didn't even have to put my feet down. Whee! Yes, sirree. I'm here. There's no one around, which makes this even nicer. back this one up in here. Alright guys, done at the dentist, and as you can see, it's not looking too nice. I saw this little bit of rain coming through, but I was hoping it was going to miss. Decided to turn a little more south on me. So I get this. Let's get out of here. Revving a little high here, sorry about that. There's a little rain. Yep, still got my wallet. Had to check. Hopefully, running down to... Ooh, I need to get on that road. Look at that. Come on, people. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Take the turn, take the turn, take the turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, I should be heading away from the rain now. Just avoid all this rain, please. Oh man, that wind. That wind. Woo! He's going into it. Ah, poor bastard. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, big one. I have to remember that one. Oh, well, looks like I'm ahead of the rain now. Now, I gotta get off and get home before it moves in. Man, this wind is blowing me all over the place here. Whoa! Oh my, what in the world is going on? Just that little storm coming through, man. We used to cool down a little bit. Certainly reamed the crap out of the bike, but we'll see if that's any good on the video. I'm really hoping this mic works, because that'd be pretty cool. And as you can see, that storm is just moving right on. get home before it gets bad. Get that head check. Get on over. AMG Merc. Nice. It's a nice Merc right there. V8. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Seat's nice and warm from sitting in the sun. We should be able to catch this light. I ain't worried about that. I think I'm gonna be good with the rest of the rain. University of Richmond 10. Wonder what that means. Maybe basketball fans can tell me in the comments. Man, nice little spring storm running through here. Uh-oh, what's going on here? Oh, Mr. Lincoln is going to decide to get over because $10 says he wants to turn at this light. Yep. Dumbass. Look at those clouds. Oh, man. Yep, so this will be one of the normal rides through here. I mean, definitely not going to be every day that I ride the bike, but we'll see. Especially once I start working out of the other office, which will be nice. Don't have to go downtown anymore. God, I can't wait for that. Save so much on gas and... Well, I mean, I drive a diesel car anyways when it's... to and from work. So I mean I get about 50 miles to the gallon on this and in the car. Oh my goodness, please stop, thank you. Scary. Uh-oh, raindrops. But this and the Jetta get about 50 miles to the gallon, so it's not too bad. But it's just the tolls, man. The tolls, I think I pay almost $4 a day in tolls to and from work. It adds up quick. Adds up real quick. But got a big trip coming up for Arizona, so that'll be nice too. I'm taking 2 weeks off work for it. This Silverado is in a hurry apparently. Yep. Got my phone still? Yeah, okay. Alright, roll it off here. There we go. Downshift. And lane. Yep. Look, those leaves flipped over, all this wind. And you still have dumbasses out here playing golf. I don't see the appeal in golf. I really don't. Live in a nice, quiet neighborhood. I like it. I like it. Guy here, he owns a whole bunch of Jags. He covers them up every night. Here we go. For a 500-pound bike, it flips around pretty quick when you want it to. Oh, I might have made it home just in time. Bike's getting a little warm. Here we go. Yes, yes. Go right there, his Busa. He's an idiot with it. But hey, each your own. If he wants to kill himself on it, by all means. I'm not going to stop him. Yes, and the garage door is still open. Yay. So my garage door opens and closes by itself sometimes. I'm getting that fixed soon, actually. Alright guys, thanks for riding with me. I'll see y'all later.